simply enter the number of pips from the level that you want to start getting a flashing signal here. Distance alert, you want to get an alert, a sound alert pop up here, the distance of pips. And if you want to start receiving the alerts, simply put that on. And if you want to hear the sound, you can just have an alert and you can have the sound off, or you can have the sound on. And we will hit OK. And you can see the indicator is giving us sounds and alerts as it's approaching these levels here. Okay. And you can opt to have the sound off, so you're only getting the alerts. Okay. And you can sound the pop-up off also. Okay. So